morning when I wake and the sun is coming through. Oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I be close to you? Ooh, ooh. Can I take you to a moment where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told? When the evening pulls the sun down and the day is almost through, oh, the whole world is sleeping, but my world is you. Can I be close to you? 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 Can I be close to you?
Baby, I love when you fly with me, 'cause you're the only one that sets me free. Baby, I just wanna let you know that you're the only one I see. So why are we waiting? My heart is inflating. I wanna feel your jealousy. So why are we waiting? The sunrise is coming. I love it when you fly with me. Oh, come and fly with me. Baby, your eyes inspire me, and I just can't believe you're here with me. And baby, I think that you should know that to my heart you have the key. So why are we waiting? This love we're creating, I wanna hear your melody. So why are we waiting? This love's escalating. Just take a breath and set me free. Oh, come and fly with me. Through the night, make me fall, make me fly. Oh baby, can't you see how much this means to me? Through the night, through the sky, make me smile, make me cry. Let's leave this gravity, just come and fly with me.